Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. In this puzzle page of Saturday, Sunday, July the 6th, July the 7th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And this one will be number 8855. 8855. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. I think it's a 1 star, no, a 0 stars, or maybe a 1 star puzzle. 0 stars, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see only one. The dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question. Oh, overlook this single box. We do have a single box. Always a 1. Dual box, triple box now. Do we have a triple box? Do we have here a triple box? We have here a triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when we see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5, okay? 1 triple box. Then quarter boxes. Do we have here quarter box? No quarter boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here a T shape, rotated. T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, we have only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. Well. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. Well, these two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be 3 anymore. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And those 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. Then, let me see. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Then 2, 1, 5, okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. These 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Here 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and 1. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can also not be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So if we eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay. Well, 1 and a 3. Okay. I think 1. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here also. Need a 5 here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2. And 3, well, we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 4. Need a 5 here. Well. 1. Need a 1 here. Okay. This box can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 that you left in this area for number 3. 1, 3, 4, so 2 or 5. Well. This box cannot be a 1, can be 3, can be 4, so 2 numbers left, 2 and a 5, okay. 4, 3, 2. This box can be a 3, can be 2, can be 4, so 1 or 5 are left. 1. Well. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. I think this box should be 3 or 5. Okay. 2, 4. Well. 2, need a 2 there. 1, 3, 5. 2, 5. This box can be 1, can be 3, can be 4, so 2 or 5. 2, 4. 2, 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 or 5. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 5. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Okay, solved. And now, mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We already have a 1 here, overlooked this 1. So the 1 should be there, so 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Did I make a mistake? 2 and a 4. It's unclosed here. 2 and a 5. Overlooked this 5. No 5 here. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 2 and a 5. Okay. That means that this box can't be 5 anymore. We have a double 5 there. So this box should be a 1. Okay, 2, 5, and a 3. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left for the 4 numbers. 3 and a 5. We have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. These 3 boxes, 1 and 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. Yeah, let me mark those. 1 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 1 and 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes, having troubles. Here, overlook this 5. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.